Alright guys, getting ready to spray the textured liner on the floor and the back wall here. Got everything masked off, the dash and everything, so I can spray the floorboards. Just put little plugs where the seatbelts and stuff go. Stuff we're using is extreme liner. Basically you take this, you take part B, the activator, and the reducer, and then you add the rubber powder. You mix those all together, and then what I'm going to spray it out of is my texture gun. You can use the undercoat gun. The only thing I don't like about the undercoat gun is the undercoat gun has no control over the amount of the material that you spray. It's just pretty much, you can control the airflow, but that's it. With these texture guns, you can at least, like a paint gun, it flows air through the gun all the time, but you can control how much stuff is going through the gun when you pull the trigger. So anyways, we're going to do the inside of that, and then also I'm going to go ahead and coat my gas tank. I got the all the fittings and stuff taped off, so I'll spray it, and then before the stuff sets up, we'll go ahead and pull the tape off so that that stuff's good. So anyways, let me get this stuff mixed up, and then I'll go ahead and turn you guys back on when I'm ready to spray. Alright, get this off the tripod. I don't know if you can see that. Comes out really nice. Anyways, I gotta move it You can see the storm coming. Let me get this thing inside before it gets rained on. Hey guys, got everything done. Got the gas tank done out there and got it in before the rain came. Put my respirator on and did the truck inside here. I'll go ahead and show you that. Come out real nice. Basically what I wound up doing is going up just under the window, because the gas tank comes up in here somewhere, so there's only a little bit, and then with the seat of the truck will come up, so it'll actually hide it. But I figured that'll kind of insulate the back. I gotta wipe that little overspray off there before it dries in the corner, but got all that covered. Same on this side. Just sprayed the floor and everything. Got the cowl areas up there. I was gonna mask off and do just the bottom section there, and then I decided to hell with it and just go ahead and go up the side there. Just give it a little scuff resistance. I went up under the firewall a bit, and pretty much that's it. I masked let me get this little piece off. I masked off where the door jamb is, because that's all going to be painted and didn't want texture there. Anyways, all this should give it some sound deadening and rust proofing, and then we'll go ahead and put the carpet and everything over that, and then once I put the fan, heater housing, all that garbage back up in there, all that'll be hidden where you can see where I stopped up there, you know, through the glove box. All that'll be hidden anyways, and you won't see it. And that's pretty much it. Come around the other side. There's the gas tank. Need to pull this stuff off. You can see all the texture on it. Puts a nice coating on it. I figured that'll kind of give it some, I don't know, just from things banging against it behind the seat and that. And that's pretty much it. So, came out the way I was expecting. So, again, going back to using this texture gun, you could see in the one video how I was kind of pulsating it. When you spray it real light, you get the real fine texture. If you pull the handle back all the way, it will just really blast the stuff out, and then it kind of flattens out. So if you want a lot of texture, just kind of give it little short bursts, and then if you want to make it kind of bigger globs, it'll just pull the trigger back and let it rip. Anyways, that's it. Stuff works really good. I've never tried the other stuff some of you guys are using, that Raptor liner and different brands. I've used this stuff a couple of times on sign frames and stuff, and it works really good. It's actually, I buy it off of eBay. You get for $150 you get three sprayable gallons, so it's a lot. You get a lot more material than what some of them other brands are charging. It comes in 5 or 6 different colors, plus they'll send you just a clear base if you want to tint it yourself, which that's what I'm going to do for the bed. Once we do the bed, I'm going to do the inside of the bed in the heirloom white, or heirloom white, what the hell is it called? Wimbledon white. So what I'm going to do is get the clear base, mix some of the Wimbledon white in there, and then that way I'll have a bed liner that'll match the colors of the truck instead of having this, you know, bright white color. So anyways, that's it. Whoa. Sorry I couldn't get much video of spraying the inside here. Even just spraying the gas tank out there, you could see how windy it was, and it was blowing that shit all over my camera. So I had to clean up the camera before I sprayed the inside here, and I didn't dare put the camera near the truck. I didn't want to trash it. So anyways, we'll talk to you guys later on this week. I'm sure we'll get some more stuff done Monday through Wednesday. So I'll get this uploaded, and we'll talk to you guys later. See ya.